Killer Skoolie.
Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel, broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, tracking in geosynchronous orbit at 30.006 degrees north latitude. I am Logan 12. On today's episode, Paint Prep Part 2. See the humans finish the primer job by addressing forgotten spots and touching up problem areas. It's all very exciting, so let's get into it.
Hey, Skoolie Nation! You'll need the same equipment used before for paint prep, including sanding pads, fine-grained sandpaper, rough-grained sandpaper, a sanding block, a wire brush, a rag, and some solvents and cleaners. You may also need a scrub brush and a bucket. Oh, and like the humans, you could find yourself in the unfortunate position of requiring an extra gallon of primer. Stick around to find out how to avoid it.
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed, the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. After the humans applied 2 full coats of premium primer to the bus, it was time to sweat the details. Small streaks of yellow could still be seen just inside the inner lip of the wheel wells, as well as in areas like the inside of the expanded metal coverings on each side of the engine compartment, the side door jambs, the rear door jambs, and around tiny aesthetically important details. some areas of the bus experienced a phenomenon called blushing. In this scenario, epoxy primer was applied on a day when humidity levels were very high. It was also sprayed on just before nightfall, when condensation was inevitable. The result was areas of primer that could not properly set, and it showed the next day. Thankfully, it only required a third application of primer to fix it. To avoid the extra cost, remember your primer will need plenty of time to dry within conditions of high humidity. What's coming up next time, Ed?
Hey, alright, Skoolie Nation. If you like this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. To see more Killer Skoolie videos, click the subscribe button now, so you never miss an episode. You can help the humans finish this project by visiting the links in the description. And please, give us your ideas about what colors the humans should paint the bus by commenting in the comments section below, so we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth.
That's right, Skoolie Nation, and don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey Ed,
Logan 12.
why did the fish blush?
I really don't think,
Because he saw the ocean's bottom. Get it?
Thanks for watching, folks.
Killer Skoolie.